Good day, sir. We are Team 8 of CPE41S1, and I'm here to present our software design project entitled Design of a Web Application for Outreach Planning and Dissemination. So, before we start, let me introduce you to the team. I am Giancarlo Cruz, the team leader, and these are my team members, Erie Mae Segui and Marayah Celine Jeanne Valera.
So our client is the Computer Engineering Department of the Technological Institute of the Philippines. Um, the department does not currently have an effective way to inform the community about its outreach program and connect with potential volunteers. So, in light of this, the client asserted that the project would be beneficial, especially in terms of reaching beneficiaries within the community.
So now we propose to you our app, the app of Up Outreach Planner. So we propose to create a program that will help the community to navigate all the outreach program in our community. So let's start with our demonstration. Oh, sorry. So we have the objectives. In our objectives is to design a user-friendly application that the clients can manage to modify the outreach program based on their plan. To design a system that will display all the scheduled outreach programs for the users. To design a system that will allow the students volunteers to apply for volunteering activities. So now this is it, our demonstration.
Finally, it's time for us to demonstrate to you our proud web application named Up. So let's move on to the tab. Before we start, let us register a new user to be used in this demonstration. So let's try test user, test user, test user at gmail.com. And let's try the password outreach. As you can see, now it is successful. Let's try logging in. Test user outreach. And now we are directed to the dashboard. In the dashboard, we have an overview of the existing events, and we can choose to open one of them. So this one is an example of tree planting activity. Oops, sorry. This one is an example of a Meet dialogue event. And lastly, a Python seminar. So with that, we can also print to PDF the um, summary of the event, as you can see here, and it also includes the information of the applicants and the contact persons, including the venue. Okay, so yeah, you can show the entire list of events here in the events page. So earlier, we did not see this relief operation because it is already concluded. So all of the buttons are gone. As you can see, we're not able to join the event, and we are also not able to print the PDF. So let's try joining a certain event. Okay, so let's try joining this one. Such, and yeah, that's it. Next is try to print our information with a new PDF file, and there we go. We are here. Testuser at gmail.com. Okay, next is the venues. So the venues allows us to connect the events to a certain venue. So a certain venue have, of course, a contact phone or email or maybe the address, which is of course crucial to the scheduling of an event. So the user is properly informed. Okay. So yeah, it's just like an event. It contains all of the venues available here, and later I will show you how it is used. Next is our inbox. So the inbox page allows us to connect with other users and communicate, especially with the organizers or even fellow volunteers. Let's try searching for my account, which is this one. You can also search for my name, and it should pop up. Okay. Let's send a message, and there we go. We have successfully sent a message to my own account. So let's try to delete the message. And as you can see, it will only delete our copy of the message. And let's go to our About page. And it should contain the information of the developers together with the project, and of course our special made curated Spotify playlist to know us more. So with that, you can also access the profile drop down list here, where you can view your profile and of course edit it. So let's try changing the name to John Doe the second. Update changes, and you see it's successful. And our name has been updated. Okay, next is try changing the password. So I'm gonna include an exclamation mark at the end. Old password, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. I don't think that's correct. Oh, sorry. I'm a bit nervous, but yeah, there we go. Let's see if that works. Okay, change password successful. So the next time we log in, our password will change. Okay, so now we have the overview of the user end of the application. Let's try to log into an admin or staff account. I'll be logging into my account. Sorry, I think I got the password wrong. There we go. So since I have an admin credentials, I am able to update or edit an event and delete an event altogether. So let's try updating this event and change the date to tomorrow, 17. Yeah, so while we're here, we are also able to change the title, the venue, the description, the organizers, so you can choose more than one, the date, and the photo that will be displayed at the start. So we can clear that for this instance and update. There we go. So when we go back to our dashboard or dashboard here, you can see we have deleted the picture and go back to its placeholder, which is top. Okay, next, we are also able to add events and venues. So when you add an event, you are also able to access the same form earlier. Let's try one test event. Let's try in the library test. Let's try Valera tomorrow update. Okay, so go back to our events, and you can see the event we just made here with the options we're already familiar with. And let's try deleting that event. Okay, there we go. For the venues, it has the same functionality, so we will not try that anymore. But yeah, just to make sure, okay, just to make sure, um, we got it right at gmail.com. Let's see. There we go. Just in case for trust issues, delete that. That will also delete any ongoing events. And in the inbox, we will get the message that we sent to my account earlier. There we go. We can also delete that message here. Lastly, being an admin will let you go to the admin panel on the drop down list, and you have access to the admin page to have the overview of the entire website. Okay, did I forget anything, guys?
Done.
The search
Search.
function
Ah, yeah,
Oh
yeah.
on the
yeah, the
event and
search function.
venues.
Thank you so much for reminding me. Yeah, you could in the events and venues page, you can definitely search for an event, and it will show you the results where you can jump right in. Okay, the venues as well. Da-da, and then go back. So, anything to note before Oh yeah. Before I let you go, sir, I just want you to know that the entire website is completely responsive. So it is available for mobile use and it will adjust accordingly. I think it's a very neat feature that we really worked very hard to accomplish, and I am contented with how it looked. Ta-da! Yeah. So I guess that is all. Thank you so much, sir, and I hope you have a great day.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
sir.
Thank you, sir.